suavizar unos muslos de pollo. I'm gonna make some drumsticks and like yuca and sweet potato mash. That's what I'm gonna be eating today for dinner. Well, my husband and I. Una yuca con batata majada, las dos mezcladas y con pollo guisado. Eso vamos a cenar hoy, Dios mediante. Other than the chicken that I bought, that I'm actually making right now, I went to Walmart and I bought these things. The melatonin for sleep. This is the yuca that I'm actually gonna be making right here. Also some wipes. I got 2 of the wipes, some strawberries, my eye drops. This is for the cholesterol, some vitamin supplements, the CoQ10. Toothpaste for the allergies. A small mouthwash. My omegas. I believe that's it in this bag. And then this other one, I just got some bananas. They're supposed to be yellow bananas, but they come green for some reason, like halfway ripe. So all that, which is not much, a total of $104.98. En toda esa comprita que hice, que no fueron muchas cosas, $104.98. Things are very expensive. Las cosas están demasiado de cara, pero ¿qué se puede hacer? Ya le removí la raíz de la yuca. I already removed the root from the middle of the yuca. So now I'm just mashing up the sweet potato and the yuca to then just serve it. So ahora solamente la estoy majando las dos, la yuca y la batata, para entonces servir el plato. It's just very simple and inexpensive, healthy way to eat healthier than what actually, you know, better than fast food. Una forma simple, fácil de cocinar y no es caro. Mejor que estar comiendo en los restaurantes allá afuera, en los fast food, que cuestan caro, y no solamente que cuestan caro, pero no son tan saludables que digamos. And this is actually what it looks like. Así ha salido after mashing it up. And the chicken is already done. It's ready to serve. Ya listo. Ready para servirlo. And this is what it came out like.